So today I'm going to talk about why VLC is the best video player for Windows, and thus the only video player you will ever need. First of all, VLC is completely free and open source. This means that you can download it and use it without any costs, and you can also access the source code and customize it to your needs. Unlike the built-in media player that comes with Windows, VLC supports a wide range of formats. It can play almost any video format you throw at it, including MP4, AVI, MKV, and even less common formats like VLC and OGG. This makes it a great choice for people who have a lot of different types of videos and don't want to have to worry about compatibility issues. VLC also has a lot of great features that make it stand out from other video players. For example, it has built-in support for subtitles, so you don't have to worry about finding and downloading the correct subtitle file. It also has a great media library feature that lets you organize your videos and easily find the ones you want to watch. Finally, VLC is very lightweight and doesn't take up a lot of resources on your computer. This means that it runs smoothly and won't slow down your system. To get VLC, you simply visit the Microsoft Store if you are running a Windows-based machine and search for VLC. For other platforms, you'll need to visit videoland.org to download the software. Once installed, you simply open the video file that you want to view and VLC should start up and begin playing. In summary, VLC is a great video player for Windows because it is free and open source, supports a wide range of formats, has a lot of great features, and is lightweight. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend giving it a try. Thanks for watching.